Okay, quick video. All I did was hooked up a micro switch on the powder disc so that I know that for sure that the powder is being dropped. It's just handy if you shoot competition. You want to make sure you got powder in there, and that just, when you see the light come on, it takes out one little step out of the sequence that you don't have to worry about. But real quick there, you see I got this mounted to my steel bench, and what I did is I got it's a quick remove. I take one little wing nut off there, and that 2x4 comes out, and I can take the whole press right out. But let me show you this setup. What I got is I got the micro switch set up under the powder disc, so when it comes out it hits it, and I put the alligator clips in. You can hook up anything you want. You can hook up a buzz box, you can hook up even these multimeters. You can put it on a continuity test and it'll beep, or just take a simple little 9-volt battery and wire that in there. Alright, now I started out with cutting out a disc, a metal disc like that, and you see where those white lines are at. Those I bent up, and then you can see what I did on here. Let me turn and get a little more light. Maybe too much light. You can see I bent the corners up and put a bolt through. Now on the bottom, the micro switch, you can see as this comes up, the powder disc comes out and hits the little button, bangs every time. Hits the button and the light comes on. Now what's neat about these little micro lights, or these little LEDs, the press itself has got a hole right in there, right in here. You can run the wire right through there, hook it up to your connector, and you got your bulb right here. It'll sit right inside there. So as you're sitting there on the stage and you're dropping a bullet on there, or you're putting a bullet on the cartridge, you can see the light coming on. You know you got powder dropped. Now those micro switches are a dime a dozen, and here's a picture of one on eBay. I don't know if you can catch that or not. Let me try it out the light. They call it a micro limit switch. But that's what they look like before I mount them. And it's really not that complicated. You can see it works pretty darn good. Alright. Have a good one, guys.